Okay, so here we are with the WEN generator, model 3800. I've got it hooked up to the trailer, and the AC is running 13.5. A little loud on the side with mufflers. But we're on house. Third oil change right now, so we'll be ready to go. There's the front. And she's at about 50%. And we got it in eco mode. Switch over to full mode, a little bit louder, but not much. And so I've got a 50 amp plug right here with the trailer. I've got this splitter for 30 amp and a 15. That'll give me a total of 45 amps because the panel box inside is a 220 box on an amp. Switch it back to eco mode, which is a little quieter. Generator weighs about 100 pounds, but I like it. There's a handle right here that pulls out, and so you can pull it around wherever you want. And like I said, it weighs 100 pounds. Got a handle on each end. I can pick it up. I mean, it's a strain, but I can pick it up. Bought this on WEN's website, WEN, and free shipping. No tax. The first one they sent me was cracked. The base was cracked, and they said go ahead. They sent me an RMA order, and when they shipped this one back and shipped this one to me, they went ahead and told me just go ahead and return the other one when the when the FedEx guy drops this one off. So you don't have too many vendors do that anymore. They want you to bring it back to them or ship it back to them before they send you another one. All right, I'm out.